problem ke tu wek ke dia gun dia nang de money problem. Everyone is facing money problem. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever faced a money problem? It's a money world. Everything depends on money. And then you don't have money in your hand. Oh, piling mata gorong. Oh, mata gorong. I'm the secondary boy. I live in Karbi Anglong. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever thought of owning good house and good car like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, Audi and Lamborghini? I wish I could have a nice Ferrari. Empty pocket, oh empty pocket, yeah. Low balance, oh low balance in my bank account. Oh brother, oh sister, you know what? I had a crush on one beautiful girl. She is not from India. There is a problem of transportation, etc. But the big problem is money. Rupiah, tangka, heartbroken. Oh, broken can. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever thought of going London and New York City? Very nice place, but costly. I wanted to go to London and New York City. Money problem. Oh, money problem. Rupiah problem. Oh, tangka problem.